George Kohlrieser, he is the real master in our community. Professor at the IMD in Lausanne, former hostage negotiator, and his books are bestsellers. He will focus on leadership. So how to lead a team in a stressful situation, how to make sure that the team will stick to the script to reach an agreement under pressure.
I think to, again, be a safety valve to create the secure base, to hear all ideas, go through the brainstorming, what are possibilities, and not make decisions too soon, accept all ideas as crazy as they sound, and then set a time limit, and then start looking for strategy that the team is going to come together and get into an agreement so that they're all on board, they're aligned. Even if they disagree, to find a way to compromise in such a way that we're here in a unified way. You are creating a pathway where there are nobody's been there. You're paving a new path and creating a trail behind you by being able to bring people from various orientations, not just within negotiation, but outside, to get people thinking about all kinds of things related to negotiation.